How to display real-time network speed on status bar on Samsung. Displaying our real-time network speed on status bar on Samsung, because basically Samsung does not give us that option by default. So Samsung, unlike other companies, does not give us this option, but with the help of this video you will be able to get that on your Samsung phone. So for this, all you have to do is open settings first and go to about phone section and go to the software information tab. You have to make sure that you're using at least One UI 7 or above with Android 12 API and above. And once you've done that, what you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser and type in nowbar-meter GitHub. So when you do that, GitHub will show you the official link from the official developer. By the way, all credits to the respective developers over here. And GitHub means it is completely open source, so it's a completely safe app. So simply go there to that first link. You will see all the requirements even in detail. So I'll make sure to drop this direct link in the description box if you wish that, and scroll down and go to the releases tab. From the releases tab you want to scroll down and make sure to install the APK file. So download the APK file, and basically if I go to downloads, you can see the APK file and make sure to install it on your Android phone. Now when you've done that, simply launch the nowbar-meter application on your device. The first thing you do is tap on start with a monitoring, and it will require a notification permission. So tap on the request option and tap the done button as well and tap on start. Now when you do that, your status will be shown towards your notification. Not only that, also on your home screen on this now bar on your Samsung. But not only that, when you exit the application, right, it will also show up towards the top left of your status bar. So if I open, let's say, any of the other app for that matter, you can see the network bar is still shown towards the top left of your screen. And this way you can actually get and display the real-time network speed indicator on your status bar on your Samsung. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.